This is an absolutely awesome creamy and rich chicken dish with a quick recipe. Look how amazing this looks.
Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel again. Today's recipe is Malai chicken curry. This is a very rich and creamy chicken dish. Very easy to make. You can make it for your next party or your family's dinner. Let's get started. Come on.
I have fried the onions until golden brown. Make a thick paste with little water. This is perfectly smooth and thick. Keep aside for a while. I'm using boneless chicken chunks, but you can also use chicken with bones if you like. We will marinate this chicken with a unique combination of some everyday spices. Now all the spiciness will come from the pepper powder and the green chilies we are going to use. So you can adjust as per your taste. The cashew powder will give a nice rich texture to the dish. Add all the fried onion paste that we made earlier. The rest of the spices are going to give this gravy an amazing flavor. This is cream, but you can also use whisked yogurt if you like. Fresh herbs will enhance the flavor of this chicken. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. This is the same oil in which I fried the onions. Add the marinated chicken and saute for a while. Check out the description box for the detailed recipe and some recipe links which I have posted for you. We will cover it to release some moisture. Always add hot water. We will cook this on low flame because this dish does not have a lot of liquid, so it may burn on the bottom. Now check for doneness. This has cooked completely. Now for the final touch of dried fenugreek leaves and cream. These are an absolute must if you want a rich flavor. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing already. Now we will just cover and cook for the flavors to integrate. Keep the lid half covered. Wow, look how rich and creamy this chicken is. Perfect for entertaining. The chicken is ready. You can assemble it any way you like. Just garnish well and we are ready to serve the Malai chicken. Thanks for watching.
I know you're definitely going to like this recipe. Show some love, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I will be coming up with such amazing recipes every week. So don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next week. Bye.